Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 250250th Ave, Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're trying this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford F-350 Lariat. The exterior color is gray and under the hood is a 6.7-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels with Goodyear tires as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2021 F-350 also comes with remote start as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have drive-friendly features power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustable on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control options on the left and our medium hands-free options on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror along with our cabin lighting. Looking forward to this 2021 F-350, you can see it has 78,059 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, the options available such as our audio, climate, phone integration, navigation, application, and settings, which is below being climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating of the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats and cooling seats. If there are any more questions for this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford F-350 Lariat, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.